You are watching channel Maths and Methods Academy. In this video, we are going to evaluate the given arithmetic expression by applying BODMAS rule. If you want to understand BODMAS rule in detail, then you can watch one of my videos, link of which is given in the description of this video. So let's move on to our solution. But before we go for the solution, let us briefly understand what is BODMAS. Actually, the word BODMAS is the collection of is abbreviation of 6 words, which is B stands for brackets. There are 4 types of bracket: line bracket, small bracket, curly bracket, and square bracket. O stands for order, like square of some number or any power, square root, etc. D stands for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, and S for subtraction. Okay, let's write down our question one more time. Okay, now we will start with the bracket because we have to solve the expression in the same order of BODMAS, like brackets first, then order, then division, then multiplication and addition, and then subtraction. So let's go for the smallest the line bracket first. (33) divided by 11 is equal to 3. Now within the small bracket we have to apply signs in the same order like division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. First of all, there are 2 signs there, multiplication and plus. So we will be applying multiplication first. 125 into 3 is 375 plus 2 still small bracket is there, so we will add now 375 and 2, and that will be a single number, so we will remove the bracket then. 375 plus 2 is 377 into 34 divided by 493 into 1 over 2. Okay. Now, since we have multiplication inside the bracket and division outside, so we can open this bracket and change this division sign by writing the reciprocal of the given number after division. Okay, now we will solve this one. (493) is divisible by 17 and 34 is also divisible by 17. So 17 2s are 34 17 2s are 34 and remainder is 15, so it will become 153. 153 is divisible by 17 with 9. Now this 29 is also divisible, 29 divided by 29 is equal to 1, and 377 is also divisible by 29, and the answer is 13 in that case. So what we are left with now, 13 into 2 is 26, and we have 1 over 2 outside. We have removed the bracket because we were left with only one number. This is again cancel, 2 1s are 2 and 2 13s are 26. So our answer in this case is 13. That's all for now. Please like and share this video and subscribe the channel. Until the next time, take care and bye.